just got the hood on. It's not quite adjusted right yet, but it's definitely on. I got some of the base coat white. This part here is going to be black. So it should look pretty sweet when it's done. It's got a little bit of a scoop, but nothing crazy, just enough. So yeah, I'm really liking it. Got the first coat of satin on the hood. Looks pretty good. So it's coming. Just a short video on the finished product. I like the idea of it, of the hood of the paint. I really like the idea, but I don't like the execution. It looks streaky. What it is the hood was so hot that the paint dried and instant it hit the hood. So it's not the idea is good, execution no. So I need to work on it. Hi. You don't see my face too often. But I'm doing this because I did this mod for my truck to you see the seat belt. See how I'm 6 foot and it rides right across my stinking neck like this, and it's really annoying. And that's up in the factory location. So I made a bracket to drop it down, and I'll show you what it is. So this is the bracket I made up. It's pretty heavy steel. A couple holes basic. It's a 4-inch. I dropped it 4 inches. So now it doesn't stay on my neck. It's across my chest where it really should be. Anyway, yeah. I don't like the color. I painted it. Thought it was close, but it's not close enough. So it's gonna have to get pulled off and repainted. But yeah, my first impression is I really like it. Here's another picture of it. You can see the colors off. But grade 8 hardware, the original hardware for the seatbelt. Yeah, I think it's gonna work okie dokie. Yep, pleased.